What's going on, boys? We're actually getting ready today to go for a little cruise in the GSX, the 2G. Today did a little bit of a brake job with a couple of co-workers, fixed up his Subaru for him, fixed his power steering up, and now we're gonna actually go visit a gentleman who's just a few miles south of us and check out his GSX that he's got sitting there. I can't remember if it's a GSX or a GST, but it's an Eclipse nonetheless. Finally, we found a guy that has one of these cars. I don't know. I've been looking all over the place. I haven't found a single person in my area that has a GSX, a GST, nothing. So what we're going to go ahead and do is hop in the car, take a quick 25-30 minute drive down south, and visit this guy for the first time. Check out his ride. Bring you guys along with, and let me know what you think in the comments. So let's hop in the car and make a little trip out of this. Alright, boys, we're down here with Ray's 95 GSX. It's got the 6-bolt swap under the hood, got the sheet metal intake. It's running ECM Link V3. It's got a whole mess of nice parts under here. Overflow can, got the blanket. What's the turbo you're running again? It's got a 5031 in it. Got a nice oil catch can sitting over here on the side. Adjustable fuel pressure regulator sitting over there on the corner. Real nice car. It's a 6-bolt and a 2G. So today what we're going to be messing around with, I'm not going to record this, just figured I'd show you guys. Got some hardware dress up that he's been doing on the whole thing. He's got new bolts all the way across, all the way around. We got a couple of them that are broke, so we're going to go ahead and replace those. And I don't know, it's a really nice car. Take a look on it. It's got blue all over it. Carbon fiber hood. I guess he's changing some of these parts out, but it's a hell of a ride. What's it running? 26 pounds, you said? 28 pounds of boost right now. Tuned on V3. This thing is a bad little ride. So it's getting a big overhaul in the springtime. He's going to be taking and yanking the motor out of it at some point and doing a whole bunch of freshening up and cleaning, and I don't know, it's a hell of a ride. So I'm going to turn you guys off and hopefully pull some bolts out. Yeah, hell of a ride. Alright, boys, he's taking her out. We're going to go for a little cruise here in that nice blue beast. Ah, she sounds so good. Sorry, I'm standing behind my car watching his car back out, but ah, she's clean. Woo! Test drive here in just a